Believe it or not, when you sneeze, you're launching a high-speed storm. A sneeze can rocket out of your nose and mouth at over 100 miles per hour, that's faster than a car speeding down a highway. In just a fraction of a second, it propels millions of tiny droplets and particles up to 20 feet away. This explosive burst is powered by the sudden contraction of muscles in your chest and throat, pushing air out at incredible speeds. Scientists study this to understand how diseases spread, because those tiny droplets can carry viruses. So, next time you feel a sneeze coming, grab a tissue, you're about to unleash a biological hurricane.